First, dry fit the sheet membrane. Next, cut an X over the drain hole and push the test plug through. Remove the sheet membrane. Next, using a margin trowel, spread a layer of thinset on the 2-inch wide perimeter of the flange adapter. Fill in keyholes around the exterior of the flange adapter. Then apply the remainder of the thinset with a 3/16" V-notch trowel. Take membrane and insert into the shower pan. Press firmly in the area of the flange adapter. Using plastic drywall knives, remove all air trapped and smooth the thinset to achieve full embedment of quick liner. Once floor membrane is smooth of all air bubbles, apply thinset to vertical walls within shower area. Then, immediately press and smooth sheet membrane into corners and up the wall. Repeat on the opposite side and back of the shower wall. Next, using a 3/16" V-notch trowel, apply thinset to top and sides of curb. Press and smooth sheet membrane around all sides of curb with mud knife.